In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Wix AI chat assistant for your website. An AI chat assistant can be a great tool to enhance engagement and provide immediate help to visitors, making their experience on your site both interactive and satisfying. Let's get started by adding AI site chat to your site via your Wix dashboard. First, you'll want to log in to your Wix dashboard. This is the central hub for managing and customizing your website. Once you're there, look for the App Market, which is usually located in the left-hand menu. The App Market is like a treasure trove filled with various features you can add to enhance your site's functionality. Now, specifically, search for AI Site Chat or Wix AI Site Chat. The search function is quite intuitive. Once you start typing, it should pop up as an option. Once you find it, click on Add to Site. Doing this will install the widget directly onto your site, and it may take you to the editor where you can visually place the chat widget where you want it to appear on your pages. At this point, there's a crucial note to consider. If you've already got Wix Chat enabled on your site and have set certain working hours for it, there could be a conflict. The Wix AI Site Chat cannot operate simultaneously with the regular Wix Chat if working hours are set for the latter. So, you might want to resolve those settings before proceeding with the AI chat integration to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you've added the AI Site Chat widget to your site, it's time to configure the settings to suit your specific needs. Head back to your site's dashboard and find the settings options for AI Site Chat. This is where you can customize how the chat assistant behaves and interacts with your visitors. You'll want to look through these settings carefully and adjust them according to the kind of experience you're aiming to create. Whether you want the chat to provide specific information or just be a friendly presence on your site, the settings will help you fine-tune its functionality. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough walkthrough to successfully set up the Wix AI chat assistant on your website. Remember, the key to making full use of this tool is regular testing and tweaking. Check in from time to time to update the settings based on visitor interactions and feedback. With that, your AI chat assistant is ready to engage with visitors, offering them support and making their stay on your site as informative and enjoyable as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy website enhancing!